Hi, welcome to the fourth part of the Spur gear housing in Fusion 360. At first I want to fix that small problem here. So maybe hide the bodies I don't need. Not this one, and I might need, where is it? I did it at first. So this should it be? Yes. Okay. First let's add some fillets. One here with 5mm and another one here with 2mm. Okay, now this has to happen before that solid here. So that should be here. That's this one, extrude 6, the sketch. And yes, so it should happen before I've subtracted that extrude. So it should happen here, and that would be extrude 5. So let's select them and move them before extrude or after extrude 5 here. And let's bring back that one here. Yes, this looks good. So let's make a union. The target should be this one, the tool should be that one. Confirm. And if I move that slider back, it should be fixed. Great. Now I can go for the handle at the top. So maybe hide this one. Bring back that one. I will need a sketch on the right plane in this case. And that would be the YZ plane. Okay, go for a sketch on a YZ plane. I want to bring in those contours here. So let's see what we have here. Project include. I could try to go for intersect. Or intersection curve. Depends if it's working here. Let's try intersection curve. No, I don't have a curve. So let's go for, again, go for intersect, see if we can intersect. Looks good, and it would be great if it would for construction. Okay, this should be brought in, that should be brought in, and this should be brought in, and confirm. Nice. I could hide that body for the moment. Select those elements here and make them for construction. And this should be for construction as well. Great. I need 2 circles. One with 700 diameter. And another one concentric to the first one with 690mm diameter. And that point should be, of course, on that plane or axis. So go for coincidence and put this point here, right there. Great. And move it down a little bit, because that circle should be tangent to that plane up here, this one. So go for tangency, this one, and that plane. but first I have to bring in that plane. So let's go for project include. Let's go for project this one, confirm, make this for construction only. Okay, and now go for tangency. This should be tangent to that projected plane. Great. Now I will need two circles, one over here, diameter 14, and one over there, again diameter 14. Yes, this should be for construction only, and it should be tangent here and there. Great, let's go here, make this for construction only, and again tangency here and tangency there. Nice. Now I could trim. Where's the trim command? It's not up there, that's crazy. Okay, so this could be trimmed. Yep. And I will need a line from the center up there. Yeah. And another line like this. Okay. Now this endpoint should be right on that line, on the other side as well. Endpoint line. Then go for trim. Well, this can be trimmed and that can be trimmed. And this should be trimmed as well, but maybe I've lost the constraint, I'm not quite sure. So that point should be on that line. Yeah. Then go for a trim over here. Trim, trim, and maybe again go for this point should be right there. Okay, finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude with 10 millimeter altogether. So let's go for an extrude. Yes, it should be symmetric. Yes, whole length should be 10 millimeter. Yeah, and of course that should be united with that one here. So let's go to that and make it join with this body, with body 1. And okay. Yeah. Now I need 2 fillets with 7 millimeter, and that's one edge here, 7, and on the other side as well. Yeah, hard to select somehow. Nope. So let's go for plus and okay. Again 7 millimeter. Now I will need this edge as curve. So let's go for a sketch. And I need a 3D sketch. So which plane? Let's go for this plane, that plane here, yeah. And I want to use a 3D sketch, so let's go for 3D sketch. And I want to use those edges. So go for create. And I need project include. What do we have? Include the geometry. Yeah. Let's see if it works. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm not sure, did I get, seems I've selected that surface. I don't want that surface, so let's deselect it and go for that edge here. This looks okay. Finish that sketch. Let's see if we can use that curve for a sweep. And I want to have a sketch on this plane here, not a 3D sketch. And I need that point here, so bring in that point by, let's go for project this point here. Okay, and I need sort of a triangle here, and I need an angle. So where is, there you go. This angle here should be, can I select it? Not really, because the body is here, so nope. No, can't select it. Let's delete it and bring in that one here. So go for create, project include, project this one here, and go for an angle between this one here and that one, and this should be 10 degrees. Now this could be moved up. Finish that sketch, bring back that body here. Let's see if we can do the sweep. Create, sweep. And the profile would be this one here, yes. And the path, change selection, should be that one here. Looks good. And I want to cut. That's okay as well. So let's confirm. Yes, and now I want to mirror that feature. If I can't mirror the feature, I will mirror the body. I will make this a new body. So let's go for mirror. Where's the mirror command? Not here, really, so it should be here. Pattern mirror. I don't want to mirror a body, I want to mirror a feature, and the feature would be, of course, this feature here. And the mirror plane would be that plane here, and that's the YZ plane. And confirm. Yeah, looks pretty good. And I'm done for today. So, I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.